For the coffee you brew in the morning light, for the way that you make everything feel right, for all the little things that you always do. I just wanted to say I appreciate you. Thank you for everything